Assembly portable bridges, of which we can include the MSC 23150 cheese, are bridge engineering structures formed from previously manufactured elements. The advantage of this type of construction is that they can be reused in different assembly configurations and locations. In simple terms, using prefabricated components and connecting them with pins and bolts, we quickly obtain a bridge structure adapted to cross the selected terrain obstacle. These types of structures are usually constructed on one bank and then launched across the gap to be bridged.
Assembly portable bridge structures are used in the following cases: for rapid construction of a crossing in emergency situations, example floods, landslides; for the construction of temporary bridges during the repair of road bridges; for the construction of a crossing with a wide range of applications for the Polish Army, logistics, crossings for CIMIC, crossings for Polish Army combat operations, as permanent or long-using crossings where the cost of constructing a conventional crossings over terrain obstacles is too high or the investor's resources are too small. A potential customer is the Polish Armed Forces, for whom increasing the ability to perform tasks in engineering support is ensuring the so-called mobility of troops is an important issue. On the other hand, the bridge's capabilities and functional properties make it an object of interest also for civilian companies involved in transport construction. They can be used to build crossings while road bridges are being repaired, or as the practice shows, also to build crossings to replace those destroyed, for example as a result of flooding. Due to their relatively low weight, assembly bridge structures are also suitable for difficult terrain, for example in mountainous areas.
The MSC 23150 is an assembly portable bridge design with a number of applied innovations in the field of assembly bridge design solutions. The most important of these are elimination of unnecessary steel in the centerline zone of the section, efficient use of steel, the use of an uncommon truss sheet metal transom structural solution, use of composite deck plates to optimize the performance parameters of the bridge, a 1:10 scale demonstrator of the structure made using the 3D printing method will be available during eInnovate 2024 in Krakow, at the point of the Military University of Technology.